How to install Doodle on Android. Use Doodle to find the best time for any event. Suggest a number of times and invite participants to select their preferences. It's free and a breeze to set up. People don't even need the app or an account to participate. Doodle is ideal for planning your next party with friends, outdoor adventures, a business meeting, reunions, books clubs, playdates, reversals, you name it. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Play Store, so open Play Store. On the search above, write Doodle. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Doodle on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Swipe from right to left. Tap on Get Started. You can continue with Facebook, Google, or your email. Let's tap on Continue with Google. Select the account you wish to use for the app. Now you have installed Doodle on Android. If you tap on the menu from the top, you will see more options that you have on the app. If you tap on the plus button from the bottom, you will be able to create a new pool. You can create a survey to find a date or make a choice. These pools can be sent to your friends to help you make a decision. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.